teacher and my dear friend. My name is Sayali giri. Dear friends, do you know who I am? Yes, I am a vacuum cleaner. I am known I am also known as sweeper. I am one of best electronic device. I shove the dust and dirty from the floor and from the other surface. I collect all the dust. I help the people to keep the surrounding clean. I come in different shape and size. I make the work of the people very easy. Without any effect, people can use me in their house, school, office and many more places. I play on important roles to keep India clean India. स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा ये इरादा कर लिया हमने देश अपने वादा ये वादा कर लिया हमने हम सबका एक ही नारा साफ सुथरा हो देश हमारा स्वच्छता ही सेवा है जय हिंद